Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Comerica Bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So without further ado, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or any devices you're using. Then enter the URL comerica.com. Once you get into the website, click on the login button at the top right. So then click on setup. And then you'll be headed to this page where you need to enter some of your personal information. So first thing you need to do is enter your date of birth. Once you enter your date of birth, enter your primary account number. And after that, you'll have to select your account type. So select that. And finally, you'll have to select your customer type. So select that. And once you fill in all your information, click on Continue Setup button. And once you fill in all your information, click on Continue Setup and you'll be forwarded to the other sections. Once you follow the processes in the other sections, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the Comerica Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.